Hey guys, I'm Tom with Halo. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough of the Versa 16 pizza oven. The outside of this oven is made with a cold rolled steel, and then you've got normal stainless steel in the front areas here. We've got a heat indicator that will dial up to 950 degrees. Got your ignition here, the turning stone here, and then you've got your temperature dial here. You can go high, medium, or low. You've got your AC adapter right here. Let's say you're traveling, you forgot your batteries, but you've got your plug-in. You can just throw that into the wall, and boom, you've got rotating stone. Now this oven comes with a 1-pound propane tank adapter that hooks onto this quick disconnect port and a 20-pound propane tank adapter. Now if you work off of natural gas, we do have a conversion kit on our website. Next up, we've got the hinged lid. Now, one of the most frustrating things about owning a pizza oven is the space that's available to clean and maintain it. But what's special about our design is that you're able to lift it up and get inside the oven, clean and maintain it however you need to. Simply just pull it out. Now, what's really special about this catch tray is not only does it catch crumbs and char flakes, but it doubles as a heat barrier for your rotisserie motor. Now, how to remove this? You just pull up and out, and you have full access into the motor here. You've got the infrared burner, you've got both of the orifices, which will come in really handy if you're using a natural gas conversion kit. Next, we'll go on to the dual burner system. First, you've got the ambient burner, which heats the ambient space within the oven. And then you've got your infrared burner, which heats the stone and keeps that recovery time between pizzas really, really short, so your stone remains nice and hot. You can easily just put it right back on this platform right here, just like so. And like I said, without any screws or extra accessories, just plop this right back into the rotisserie motor, and it's ready to spin. Now, something special about the rotation of the stone is that it's dialed in to match the heat of the oven, so whatever you're cooking, whether it's pizza or some other recipe, it'll come out perfect. In fact, we have a number of recipes on our website that go beyond pizza. We got chicken wings, pretzels, cinnamon rolls. Now, once you've got this out of the box and all set up, you want to make sure all plastic is removed and then set this oven on high for 45 minutes. What that'll do is burn off any extra oils that come with the oven from the factory. Now that you're all set to go with the Versa 16, it's time to start making pizzas. What you want to do is put this on high, ignite, and you'll let that preheat for 12 minutes to reach 950 degrees for the ambient space and between 650 and 750 degrees Fahrenheit for the stone. It's really important that that stone temperature is where you want it to be to get that perfect even cook. The best way to gauge temperature for the stone is using an infrared gun. Now let's say you just had a big pizza party. Your stone's looking like this. Now, we anticipated this by creating a pizza stone cleaning kit. You don't want to use this on a really, really hot stone, but after the pizza night, after the oven's cooled off, you can go in here and scrape away at any excess debris or char flakes or what have you on the pizza stone. Now, just keep in mind, you'll never get this looking brand new ever again, so these char marks remain. But that's a good thing because they will contribute to flavor as you continue cooking pizzas on there, and I think you'll want to keep that on the stone. So simply just use this, scrape off any extra, and then go on to making your next pizzas. Now, if you're curious about how quickly this burns propane, it's about a pound per hour. Now, if your stainless steel happens to collect rust over time, simply use baking soda and water to scrub away at it and get this oven looking brand new again. Now, it's really important that you keep this oven away from any combustible materials, gasoline, or any flammable vapors or liquids. Do not obstruct the flow of combustion or the ventilation of air. Visually check burner flames with pictorial representations to ensure that your propane is flowing properly through this channel. Check and clean burner tubes for insects and insect nests. A clogged tube can lead to a fire beneath the appliance, and trust me, you do not want that. Lastly, we're going to talk about troubleshooting with the pizza oven. So let's say your igniter isn't working. Just check the battery underneath, maybe switch it around or replace it with a different battery and see if that works. Now, if the oven isn't lighting when you turn it on, this is igniting, but the flame's not going. First thing you'll want to do is turn this off, close propane tank, remove the propane regulator, then go ahead and plug it back in, open the propane tank, put this on high, and you're gonna listen for the propane coming through the piping. Then go ahead and ignite, and this should go aflame. If your motor isn't spinning, same thing goes as with the igniter. You'll just go ahead and check on the batteries if they're installed correctly, or if you need to switch them out. If all that fails, reach out to support and we'll handle it. That's a wrap for the Versa 16. Hope this was educational for you guys. If you have any other questions or need any other assistance, visit halo-pg.com for more information or reach out to our support team.